Fox News recently slammed the carnivore diet as a heart health hazard. But is it really? This is the question that's been buzzing around, stirring up a whirlwind of controversy. It's a diet that advocates for the consumption of meat and animal products, and it's been under fire for its saturated fat content, with critics like Fox News labeling it as a potential risk for heart health. Yet, the narrative isn't as simple as it seems. A different perspective is emerging from respected corners of the scientific community. Institutions like Harvard University are conducting research that paints a contrasting picture. They're suggesting that the carnivore diet might not be the villain it's made out to be. Instead, it could potentially offer a wealth of health benefits, including weight loss, improved heart health, and more. So, could the carnivore diet be the hidden gem for health and wellness? Let's dive in. The carnivore diet is more than just eating meat. It's about embracing a lifestyle that could transform your health. So, what is the carnivore diet? In essence, it's a diet that encourages high protein and high fat intake, with little to no carbohydrates. It's a diet that takes us back to our prehistoric roots, when our ancestors were hunters and gatherers. They thrived on meat, fish, and other animal products, getting their energy primarily from fats and proteins instead of carbs. The carnivore diet is not about counting calories or portion control. It's about listening to your body and eating until you're satisfied. There's no need to worry about overeating, as the high protein content naturally promotes feelings of fullness. This can lead to a reduction in overall food intake without the need for conscious calorie restriction. But what about fruits and vegetables? Aren't they essential for health? In the carnivore diet, fruits and vegetables are optional. The idea is that animal-based foods can provide all the nutrients your body needs. This includes vitamins, minerals, and even fiber, which can be obtained from connective tissues in meat. It's important to note that the carnivore diet is not just about steak and bacon. It's about incorporating a variety of animal products into your meals. This could include eggs, fish, organ meats, and bone broth. Each of these foods provides a unique blend of nutrients, ensuring that your body gets all the essential nutrients it needs. There's also an emphasis on quality in the carnivore diet. This means opting for grass-fed and pasture-raised meats whenever possible. These types of meat are not only more humane, but they also tend to be richer in beneficial nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and conjugated linoleic acid. And what about fats? In the carnivore diet, fats are not the enemy. In fact, they're an essential part of the diet. They provide energy, aid in nutrient absorption, and contribute to feelings of satiety. As long as you're choosing healthy fats from animal sources, there's no need to fear them. Now that we've unpacked the carnivore diet, let's explore its health benefits. One of the most lauded benefits of the carnivore diet is efficient weight management. The carnivore diet, as the name suggests, is a diet that consists primarily of meat and animal products. It's a high-protein, low-carb diet that has been making waves in the health world for its potential to aid in weight loss. Now you might be wondering, how does this diet contribute to weight loss? Well, it's pretty straightforward. When you consume a diet rich in protein, your body needs to expend more energy to digest and metabolize the food. This process is known as the thermic effect of food, and it can significantly boost your metabolism and calorie-burning capabilities. Additionally, high-protein diets have been shown to promote satiety, or the feeling of fullness. This can lead to a natural reduction in calorie intake, as you may find yourself less inclined to snack or overeat. This combination of increased metabolism and reduced calorie intake can create a calorie deficit, which is the key to weight loss. But it's not just about the numbers on the scale. The carnivore diet also has the potential to influence body composition. By focusing on protein, you're fueling your body with the essential building blocks it needs to maintain and build muscle mass. Preserving muscle mass is crucial, especially during weight loss, as it helps to keep your metabolic rate high and prevent the loss of muscle that can often accompany dieting. Now, what does all this have to do with heart health? Well, obesity is a significant risk factor for heart disease. By aiding in weight management, the carnivore diet could potentially reduce this risk. Moreover, this diet is low in processed foods and sugars, which are known contributors to heart disease. In essence, the carnivore diet can be a powerful tool for weight management, which can indirectly improve heart health. It's important to remember that everyone's body responds differently to dietary changes, and it's always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. So the carnivore diet could be your ally in the battle against obesity, but that's not all. The carnivore diet isn't just a weight loss fad, it also boasts benefits for insulin sensitivity and heart health. Now let's delve deeper into these extraordinary benefits. The carnivore diet, rich in animal proteins and fats, has a remarkable impact on insulin sensitivity. In a nutshell, insulin sensitivity is how responsive our cells are to insulin. When we're insulin sensitive, our bodies require less insulin to lower blood sugar levels. This is crucial, as high insulin levels can lead to serious health problems such as diabetes and heart disease. Several studies have shown that a high-protein, low-carb diet like the carnivore diet can improve insulin sensitivity. A study published by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that participants who followed a diet high in protein had improved insulin sensitivity after just 4 weeks. But the benefits don't stop here. The carnivore diet also contributes to better heart health. When we talk about heart health, we're not just talking about the organ that keeps us alive. We're talking about a complex system that includes our blood vessels, blood sugar levels, and lipid profiles. The carnivore diet, with its emphasis on high-quality animal proteins and fats, has been shown to stabilize blood sugar levels. This reduces the risk of heart disease, as high blood sugar levels can damage blood vessels and lead to atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by hardening of the arteries. Furthermore, the carnivore diet can improve our lipid profiles. The lipid profile is a group of tests that measure the amount of cholesterol and triglycerides in our blood. A healthy lipid profile is vital for preventing heart disease. In a study published in the Journal of Clinical Lipidology, participants who followed a low-carb, high-protein diet saw significant improvements in their lipid profiles after just 12 weeks. So, what does this all mean? It means that the carnivore diet offers more than just weight loss. It provides a pathway to improved insulin sensitivity and heart health, backed by scientific research and studies. Better insulin sensitivity and heart health? The carnivore diet keeps getting better. The benefits of the carnivore diet don't stop at physical health. It could also enhance your mental well-being and improve certain autoimmune conditions. You might be wondering, how does a diet primarily consisting of meat contribute to mental health? The answer lies in the brain's primary fuel source, glucose. Our brains use about 60% of the glucose in our bodies. In a carnivore diet, your body switches from using glucose as a primary fuel source to using ketones. This process, known as ketosis, can lead to improved mental clarity and focus. Moreover, the carnivore diet is rich in nutrients like vitamin B12 and omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to support brain health. Vitamin B12 plays a vital role in the functioning of the brain and nervous system, while omega-3 fatty acids are essential for cognitive functions. Now let's switch gears to autoimmune and inflammatory conditions. Autoimmune diseases occur when the body's immune system mistakenly attacks its own cells. This can lead to chronic inflammation, which is at the root of many autoimmune conditions. The carnivore diet can potentially help alleviate these symptoms by reducing inflammation in the body. This is because it eliminates many foods known to cause inflammation, such as sugar, processed foods, and certain grains. Instead, the diet focuses on high-quality meats that are rich in anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids. Furthermore, anecdotal evidence suggests that people suffering from autoimmune conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis and lupus have experienced symptom relief after adopting the carnivore diet. While more research is needed to fully understand the connection, these reports are certainly promising. So you see, the carnivore diet is not just about weight loss or heart health, it's about overall health and well-being. It's about giving your body what it needs to function optimally, which includes your brain and your immune system. The carnivore diet could be a game changer for both your body and mind. So, there you have it. The carnivore diet isn't just about eating meat. It's a lifestyle choice with numerous health benefits. From improved heart health to weight management, enhanced mental well-being, and even the potential to alleviate certain autoimmune and inflammatory conditions. This diet, much maligned by some, has been validated by recent research from esteemed institutions, including Harvard University. The key to reaping these benefits lies in understanding the diet's nuances and tailoring it to your individual health goals. Remember, a well-executed carnivore diet can be a potent tool for health and wellness, but it's also crucial to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare provider when making significant dietary changes. We encourage you to dive deeper, do your own research, and find out if this diet could be a good fit for you. We'd love to hear your experiences with the carnivore diet in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Shape Squad for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, keep striving for a healthier you.